You've been storing lettuce the wrong way. That's why, after just a few days in the refrigerator, it becomes wilted, soggy, and eventually has to be thrown away. Many people don't realize that just one wrong storage habit is enough to make lettuce lose moisture very quickly and spoil before you even have the chance to use it. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share some incredibly simple tips to help you choose and keep lettuce fresh, crisp, and green for weeks. They're easy to do, but the results may surprise you. Watch now before you continue wasting your lettuce. When buying lettuce, many people have the habit of putting it straight into the refrigerator without carefully checking the core. If there are just a few wilted or soggy leaves inside, the damaged parts can spread very quickly to the rest of the lettuce. Any spoiled leaves should be removed immediately. So, the most important step before storage is carefully checking and selecting the lettuce. When choosing lettuce, pay attention to the following details. The stem should have an off-white color with a light green tint and still look fresh. When you gently press it with your hand, the stem should feel firm, not soft, mushy, or crumbly. There should be no signs of bruising, spoilage, or water damage. You should choose lettuce with fresh green leaves, natural bright color, and no yellowing or dull appearance. Avoid lettuce with dark green leaves that already look slightly wilted or have unusual spots. If the top part of the lettuce has already separated or been cut off, it is usually older or damaged lettuce, meaning it will be less crisp and spoil more quickly. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This selection step is extremely important because if the lettuce is not fresh from the beginning, no storage method will keep it fresh for very long. Tip number 1. First, prepare a glass and some clean water. You don't need to add too much water. Place the lettuce stem into the glass, keeping the lettuce upright. Next, take a zip bag or a clean plastic bag and gently cover the entire lettuce head. Pull the bag down close to the bottom of the glass and seal it tightly. This creates a closed environment that keeps the necessary moisture inside and prevents the leaves from drying out or wilting. This method allows the stem to continue absorbing water, helping the lettuce stay fresh and reducing moisture loss. After finishing, place the entire glass with the lettuce into the refrigerator. With this method, lettuce can keep its green color, crisp texture, and freshness for about 1 to 2 weeks without becoming wilted or soggy like with regular storage methods. Tip number 2. First, prepare 2 sheets of paper towel. This type of paper absorbs moisture very well. Spread the paper flat, then place the lettuce on top. Next, gently roll it up so the paper lightly wraps around the lettuce. You don't need to wrap it too tightly. The paper just needs to make contact with the surface of the leaves. This layer of paper is extremely important. The paper helps absorb excess moisture, preventing the lettuce from becoming soggy and spoiling. After wrapping, place the lettuce into a plastic container with a tight-fitting lid. Close the lid securely. The container creates a stable environment that limits the effect of outside air on the lettuce. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, place it in the refrigerator. This method can help keep lettuce fresh and crisp for about 1 to 2 weeks. Tip number 3. First, wash the lettuce thoroughly and cut off the root section. Use paper towels or a clean towel to carefully dry each leaf. Make sure the surface of the leaves is completely dry with no moisture left. If you don't have much time each day to prepare vegetables, this is a great method to save time and always have fresh lettuce ready to use. With just one preparation session, you can use it for several days without having to start over each time. After drying, cut the lettuce into bite-sized pieces. The pieces don't need to be too small, just convenient enough to use immediately without extra preparation. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. It's wonderful that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me and not miss any useful tips. I'm so happy to have you joining me on this journey. After cutting, place all the chopped lettuce into a zip bag. Handle it gently to avoid bruising the leaves because damaged leaves spoil much faster during storage. Then press all the air out of the bag. This step helps reduce oxidation and keeps the lettuce fresh for longer. Next, seal the bag tightly. For even better storage, leave a small opening and use a straw to suck out as much air as possible, creating an almost vacuum-like environment. When the amount of air inside is minimized, the vegetables are better protected and spoil much more slowly. After removing the air, seal the bag completely. At this point, the bag will be compact, contain very little air, and be much more convenient for storage. Finally, place the lettuce bag into the freezer compartment of the refrigerator. At this temperature, the spoilage process slows down significantly. With this method, you can store lettuce for about 2 to 3 weeks. Now that you know how to store lettuce, I'll also share a very healthy way to use it. First, prepare the main ingredients: lettuce and cucumber. For the cucumber, cut off both ends. Then slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces so the blender can process it more easily. Cucumbers are rich in fiber: vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants such as flavonoids, tannins, and silica. After cutting, place the cucumber into the blender. Add the pre-cut lettuce together with the cucumber. Cucumber and lettuce juice is a refreshing drink rich in water, vitamins, and minerals. Add about half a cup of water to help the mixture blend more smoothly and prevent it from becoming too thick. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth. This combination is rich in fiber and low in calories, helping you feel full longer, reduce cravings, and provide antioxidants that may help slow the aging process. At this point, the cucumber and lettuce have been fully blended and their nutrients are mixed into the juice. Then, pour the mixture through a strainer to remove the pulp. After blending, you'll notice a very fresh and pleasant light green color that looks incredibly refreshing. The remaining liquid will be smoother and easier to drink, especially for people who do not like a grainy texture. Gently shake the strainer so the remaining juice can flow through. Now you have a pure cucumber and lettuce juice that is refreshing and very good for the body. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, you can add a little sugar or honey. It's a simple and easy recipe, but one that can bring noticeable benefits. With just a few simple steps, you can keep lettuce fresh much longer and use it to make healthy dishes and drinks. And if you know any other useful tips, feel free to share them in the comments so everyone can learn together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more helpful tips. See you again soon.